Once we have our project ready to render, we'll click on this little rocket ship to get to the deliver page. If you're feeling extra tech savvy today, the hotkey for that is Shift 8. Once we've successfully navigated to the deliver page, we need to find this little menu up here that shows all of these different export options. Go ahead and click on YouTube, then click the little drop down arrow next to the button, which will allow you to select your preset resolution. Once you've done that, I'd encourage you to click the button under the YouTube video you're watching right now that says subscribe, but only if it's red. Then we'll name our file, set a save location, and choose our export options. Resolution we've already changed, and frame rate you'll normally want to leave at 24. For format, we can choose either QuickTime or MP4, but QuickTime generally will give you a little bit higher quality in exchange for a little extra file size. Google tells us that it wants our video codec to be H.264, so go ahead and leave that how it is. Type I usually change to NVIDIA because it's typically a bit faster, but native will work just fine if you don't have a NVIDIA card. Both audio options, as well as your data burn-in, you can safely leave alone. Now we get to some new stuff, our YouTube options. If we want to upload this to YouTube right now, we'll check this box. Then we'll add our title, which will be visible on YouTube, unlike our file name. Add in your YouTube video's description, then set its visibility. Private means only you can see it. Unlisted allows anyone with the link to see it, and public makes it public. Next, we have category, and try to be accurate with this, otherwise the algorithm might be upset with you. Now that we're done with our settings, we need to sign into our YouTube account through Resolve. So we'll come up to our top menu and click DaVinci Resolve. From there, we'll click on Preferences. With our Preferences menu open, we'll need to be in the System submenu. Click on Internet Accounts, and then press Sign In over here across from YouTube. Go ahead and pop through those prompts until you're signed in, then click Save right down here. Now our settings are set and we're signed in, so all that's left to do is add this to our render queue. Then come over here and click Render All. It'll go through the render in its typical way, then it'll say Upload Pending, that'll go blank, and after a time you'll see Upload Completed. Now if we go into our YouTube studio, we can see that our video is right here ready to go.